Hello everyone. In the previous video, I showed you all how you can actually format your text using the main font section up here on the ribbon, but there's actually another cool way to do it, and I'm sure most of you have seen it when you're editing your text. If we just highlight this, we have this little mini toolbar up here. And you can see we have some different options here like Copilot, but let's just run through some of the other options that are available so we're not having to come up to the main ribbon every time. So if we come over here and let's just highlight this text again, you can see we can make changes like changing the font. So we can come over here and we could tweak the font. We could change the font size. And then again, if we don't want to have to use the drop down, we can just do the up or down and drop it by 2 each time we select the down, or up by 2 when we select the up. Next to that, we also have font styles, which are these that you see right here in the main ribbon. Let's go ahead and highlight this again, and we can go ahead and select a font style if we would like. Or we could leave a comment. So if you guys missed a few videos ago, we showed you how to add comments. Right now I can add a comment for my word selection here. So I can just go fix the formatting. Okay, and then add my comment. And now I have a comment telling me I need to fix the formatting because it looks silly. Okay, come back and highlight it. Let's actually remove this. Delete thread. And actually, let me delete the comment as well. Actually, we're good. Okay, so now let's go ahead and highlight this. And some other options that are available to us, we can decide if we want to bold something or unbolden it. There's the keyboard shortcut, which is Control-B, or you can select this button and you can make it bold or unbold. You can italicize it or unitalicize it. Same thing with the underline. And this is the highlight, so we can change if we want to highlight this. And we can also change the font color. Can't really see because it's highlighted right now. And next to that, we have the bullets. So if we want to add a bulleted list, we can. Same thing with a numbered list. And I have a whole separate video on that if you guys want to check it out. We also have this handy dandy format painter tool, which I showed you guys how to use in the previous video. So check that out if you didn't get a chance to see it. But those are the main options that are available to you on the mini format editor on Microsoft Word.